Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another tutorial with Lorenz's Creative, and today I will show you how I made these knotless braids with a yarn. So keep watching. So I will start by parting her hair. This is the way I'll part her hair till I finish this tutorial. I'll be parting it round that way till I finish. Then I'll apply a hair cream and apply my gel, that's the lock and twist gel, since I'll be braiding on a natural hair, that's a 4C hair. So I want the hair to really go down very well, as in to last. So I will be using that to apply on the roots of the hair to make it hold. Then after that, I'll comb the hair and start parting the hair. So sorry guys, the video I was trying to show you before, I didn't know it was too dark, so, and it wasn't showing well, so that was why I had to trim off that part and started off this place. So guys, all I did was part the hair, apply the lock and twist gel, then section it into 3 different parts, and now first braid it up to 3 times. Then I will start adding up my attachment, that's the wool I will be using. The first wool I put was about six wool. Then I will weave it just the way you do the feeding braids, then put the 6 again, that's 2 times now, then weave it once, 2, then bring out the other one and add. Then I will now weave it, then I'll add the 3rd time. When I add the 3rd time, I will now start weaving it till where her hair ends. Okay, when I weave it to where her hair ends, then I will now add the last part of the feeding braids, and the last one I will add is about 8 to 10 pieces of wool. The wool I'm using in this tutorial is the baby wool, or you can also use the bobby wool. If you are in Nigeria, you understand the wool I'm using. I'm sorry I didn't show you the wool, so but it's the baby wool that I'm using in making this hair. So you can use any braiding wool of your choice, but I did not use the Brazilian wool. This is not the Brazilian wool, this is the normal baby wool that you use in braiding your hair. So after reaching the place that her hair ends, I added now the last part of the feeding braid, and I'll weave it all through down. I will not add any other hair while weaving it. But in this case, if you want the hair to be longer, you can add more if you want. So depending on the length of hair you are making. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. So coming to the way I part the hair, I part the hair just in between 2 other hair that are below it. I don't know if this makes sense, but if you can see where I'm parting it just in between the 2 hair that are down, as in that are under it. Okay, I'll come to the middle of this box braid and come to the middle of the other box braid and divide it there. I hope you're seeing exactly what I mean. Then after which I will still apply the gel, and let's do a second tutorial of the last one we did in case you did not understand it. So I will still part it into three, just like this. Then start weaving it up to 3 times. Okay, then I will now start adding the hair. The first one, which is about 6. That's if you count the wool, 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces of the wool. Then another one, this is the second time, weave it 2 times. Then the third time. Okay, then I will weave it till where her hair ends, or before I end the hair I will now add the last one.
You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere.
So I'm almost where her hair ends. Then I'll add the last one, and this last one is the biggest section of the hair I'm adding. This is like 8 or 10 depending on the consistency of the hair I want. And so the last one is 8, the first 3 were 6 pieces, then this last one is 8. If you see, it was bigger. Then I'll now start braiding it till the end. I will not add any other weft again, unless if I discover that the length of the wool is small, then I cannot add it. But the normal this thing I added was 3 at the beginning, then 8 and the last one. Then let's do this one again. Did you see where I am parting the hair again? In between the hair that are down, you see these are 2 hair between it, so that is where I'm parting the hair, and I'm parting it as neat as possible. The neater the better.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside.
Please, I want to use this medium to beg you guys, especially those that dropped their comments on my previous videos and told me and requested for some particular videos. I want to assure you guys that I'm working on those videos, especially the video on the full lace templates that I posted a few months ago, and the 360 wig, that's the shuku wig. So I have a very tight schedule this month, so I'll be posting those videos by week of next month. Okay, so please have a little patience with me, and I will make sure that I meet to your needs and I post the videos you want me to post, a very detailed video. Okay, so guys, please stay tuned to this channel to view more of videos like this and to learn more on wig making. If you know you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please share my videos and please like my videos. If you have any comments or you have any question you would like to ask me based on this hair or on the previous videos that I have made, please kindly drop your questions on the comment section and I will make sure to answer all of them. So here I'm trying to show you how I parted the hair. As you can see, it's line by line, and if you also watch the way I parted it in the braids, you will see that it's in between each of the braids. So each braid will fall in between two other braids. Okay, so that was how I parted it till we got to a U shape until the front of the hair. So guys, I think this is all for this tutorial. Please, if this is your first time of tuning into this channel, welcome, and please join the family by subscribing. And also, if you are an old subscriber, you have been part of the family, thanks for coming back again. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video again. Bye bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized